A company started a marketing campaign to increase the number of customer email addresses it had in its newsletter database. The number of customer email addresses in the database, E, collected D days after the campaign began can be represented by the equation E equals 9725 plus 76D. What does 9725 represent in this equation? So I'm going to rewrite the equation here first. So E is equal to 9725 plus 76D. And so D is the number of days, so that's days. And this is the number of emails we have, so that's emails. And so in this instance, it's asking which of the following, what does 9725 represent in this equation? So 9725 represents the starting point, right? Because this is a linear expression, and the starting point for anything is going to be essentially the y-intercept. So what we need to figure out is what this represents. So is it the number of customer email addresses collected each day during the marketing campaign? No, because it tells us that it tells us that it's 76D over here, and it's D days. So D represents days. So 76D over here is going to represent the number of email addresses that are collected on any given day. So 76D means every day they collected 76 email addresses. The total number of email addresses collected, well, that's going to be E. So this is not our answer here, neither is A. Is it the number of email addresses already in the newsletter database at the beginning of the marketing campaign? Well, yes, it actually is. This actually is our correct answer, because if you plug in 0 for D, so E equals 9725 plus 76 times when the campaign started, it was 0 days. So therefore, E is equal to 9725. So that's how many email addresses were already in there when it was 0 days after the campaign started. So basically, essentially when the campaign started. And that's what our answer is. It is not the total number of email addresses collected during the marketing campaign. That would be represented by this portion of the equation, 76 times the number of days. So 76 email addresses per day times the number of days will give you that answer. So D is also not our answer. So our correct answer is C for Captain America.